Welcome back to a new price prediction, a price update on Strong and also Stronger token. We'll be talking about some of the things that I see with the price and where I see current support and recent resistance level, and if I do still believe in the project of StrongBlock. So if you guys like this type of analysis, please like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so currently we are on the 30 minutes for Strong token. Okay, so as you can see here, we have wicks here. Okay, so I stated that I want to see price break out of this zone here and then retest back at about 46. Okay, and as you can see here, price wicked down here to these levels several times before we saw a downtrend occur. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our lines, and we can see that StrongBlock has been in the downtrend for quite some time. Okay, as you can see here, at these levels, until about 32. Okay, so we are still oversold. We were oversold at 32, but surprisingly in the last 24 hours for Strong token, we see price up 9%. Okay, keep in mind Bitcoin is down and a lot of the Bitcoins are down as well. So for a price action like this for Bitcoin, for StrongBlock, it's just quite, I'm looking at this and I don't see why the price is up to that much. Okay, I still don't see the utility for a Strong token. I do see the utility for Stronger, since people and investors are getting the rewards from Stronger token. So it should be the opposite for Stronger token, because as you can see here, if you take a look at the chart for Stronger token, we can see that price for the project has been going down. Okay, it's down 6%. So just when I'm taking a look at this, I see there's a lot of questions that still hasn't been answered by the project. Okay, if I still know why the price is going down. Maybe people are selling their Stronger token, and they're taking profits off of it. Cool, okay, I understand that. But at the same time as well, if if people are there, not new investors coming in and also getting into the project, because currently with Stronger, it's about 742 to for 10 Stronger token, and also to get into the project. Keep in mind that's not gas fees and everything. But it worries me, okay? Because I am a long-term believer of StrongBlock, but there has to be some changes that occur in the future, okay? Like the utility that comes with Strong token, okay? We want to see some actions for it. Maybe have a peg to one-to-one a pegged coin where it's stable, and then we could see not the sell-off that happens here with StrongBlock and the Strong token, because as I know, if price comes back to these levels here, because we have wicks here creating, and we also had an order block here. Okay, so we were currently oversold at these levels. Okay, we had wicks, several wicks here, but we never could have broken that level. Okay, so we know that there's still heavy resistance at this level, and once we were oversold, we could see the price rally back down. Okay, we also know there was a big order block from the imbalances that happened here. Okay, so if we don't see price come back for a strong token at these levels and create a support, and then retest back up these recent resistance at 43, then I do believe strong token will continue to sell off, since there's no utility for it. Okay, but if we do create another support areas at these levels here at 32, then it's still a great sign. Okay, but just keep in mind that when we take a look also at our fib level, we know that there's another level here that could be retested back at about 20. Okay, so if these prices break and Bitcoin still rallies back down, these projects can follow it as well, guys. Okay, so price can retest back at 20. But just keep in mind, there has to be a lot of things that change for a StrongBlock. Okay, because I am a firm believer in it, but there has to come a utility for the Strong token itself. Unless that doesn't happen, then price will continue to just fall off. Because as you can see, similar patterns happen here as well. Previously on April 5th, we could see that price had a rally back up as well from the sell-off that occurred. We see here a sell-off that occurred as well, and we can see after that sell-off happened right here, we had a little bit of an uptrend before continuing back down. Okay, so it's just a pattern each day that's occurring for StrongBlock. Okay, and especially for Strong token. And if things don't change for it, then I do see price coming back to 20. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but there has to be some changes for Strong token. Okay, and also for Stronger, I had higher hopes for it as well. We are down set to 74 right now, and as you can see, volume in the last 24 hours we were as low as 65. Okay, so it lets me to think, we still have volume. Okay, 24-hour volume for trading was 3 million, so there's still a lot of volume coming in, and as you can see, people are still taking advantage of the sell-off. But you just have to keep in mind that with these things happening, where are we gonna see a support area for a stronger token? Okay, because we are down about 6%, and as you can see as well, in the last 7 days, we are in a downtrend. Okay, is there something going on with strong block, or what's going on? Okay, we know that there's heavy support areas at about 66, since we when we went down there, we reversed right away. Okay, but just keep in mind the overall trend is a downtrend right now for a stronger token, and unless there's new things that happen for the project, then we could see the same thing happening for strong token. Okay, hopefully that doesn't happen, since there is utility for a stronger token right now. But once people start getting their rewards from stronger token, they will just sell off. Okay, so there needs to be some sort of utility for both strong and stronger token. Okay, guys. So hopefully we could see a reversal in the next coming days as well. But I do need to see some utility come up with the project, and just more AMAs going on to just answer some questions that the investors have. Just a quick update, guys, on strong and strong token and what's going on with the overall project. I hope you guys like the video, and stay tuned to the next one, and stay blessed.